Hi guys, I'm in my office and I'm here because I wanted to show you how crazy easy it is to make a roller bottle that you can just take around with you and use for any muscle aches or pains or tension headaches coming on, because we're going to make a deep blue light roller bottle. And all it is, there's 3 ingredients. All it is deep blue. So your little bottle of deep blue, frankincense, the powerhouse oil, and coconut oil. So if you haven't seen a roller bottle before, they typically look like this. And this happens to be a 10 milliliter roller bottle. So a 10 milliliter roller bottle holds a fair bit of oil. So I'm gonna make it as though it's a 5 milliliter and just do kind of half the recipe. Because if you didn't like the recipe, you don't wanna put all those oils in and have all of that wasted, right? So we usually start with a 5 ml roller bottle, although this is a 10 milliliter roller bottle. So there's a couple things I'm gonna point out to you with a roller bottle. One is that this one has a glass top, so the roller ball itself is glass. And when it's glass, that's less likely to break down because it's the plastics that the oils tend to break down pretty quickly. So if you had a roller bottle like this and you see this end, this one is plastic and it's just not going to last you as long. So the ones that are either glass, or especially if you look at this one that doTERRA makes, this one is metal. These ones are fantastic. So anything you buy from doTERRA is going to have a metal roller bottle, a roller ball at the end. Now you can buy these on your own. You're gonna have the metal ones in your back office, the empty ones that you can buy. So you can look at that in the US side, or you can look online. There's My Essential Biz, there's local stores, you can find one, but just know for your own quality control that the plastic ones aren't as good. They might start leaking over the long haul, and the glass ones are next best, and the metal ones would be the best ones. So we're gonna do this. It's gonna be so easy and simple. We're gonna do 25 drops of deep blue. So we're gonna be counting to okay, that's 25 for sure. Now, deep blue, if I got this on my fingers, I want to make sure I wash it off but I do want this on my neck right now. So I'm going to I don't like wasting any oil. So if there's any on the outside rim, I end up using it on my wrists or on my neck or things like that. So I love the oil, and especially frankincense and deep blue. They're such powerful oils. So now I've got the deep blue. You see that blue hue? And I've got 25 drops in there. I'm going to do 15 drops of frankincense. I don't know if I can count and talk at the same time. And again, I just don't like to waste any of the oil. So if there's any on the outside, and frankincense is so incredibly powerful. I love to have that on my wrists. So now I've got the 2 oils in there. I'm going to top that with fractionated coconut oil. This is just coconut oil with 1 fat molecule removed to make it liquid at room temperature. And I'm going to top this as though it's a 5 ml roller bottle to keep this fairly powerful still. And you see how that separates a little bit? I'm just going to shake that up before I use it, and it'll blend really nicely. But I have to pop this top on, and this one goes on fairly easily. Some are harder than others. And then I will have this to have in my purse when I'm traveling, and this for tension is your deep blue light right there. So bloody easy and so amazingly effective. These are incredible little tools that we can have with us at any time. There it is, deep blue light. Enjoy.